Imagine standing at the edge of Marina Bay, where the city meets the sea, and the heartbeat of Singapore is almost palpable. This is Merlion Park, a place where history, culture, and modernity blend seamlessly. The story of the Merlion, Singapore's national icon, dates back to 1964. The mythical creature, with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, symbolizes the city's origins as a humble fishing village, while the lion represents Singa, from which Singapore gets its name. Today, this statue stands tall, spouting water into the bay, reminding everyone of the journey this city has taken, from its early days to becoming the bustling metropolis it is now. Merlion Park was officially opened in 1972, and since then, it has been a focal point for both locals and visitors alike. As you stand before it, it's easy to see why this spot has become a must-visit for anyone coming to Singapore. The Merlion not only represents the city's history, but also its resilience and constant evolution. Now, let's talk about getting here. Merlion Park is conveniently located at 1 Fullerton, near the central business district. It's one of the most accessible places in Singapore, with several transport options at your disposal. The nearest MRT station is Raffles Place, which is just a 10-minute walk from the park. Alternatively, you can take a bus to Fullerton Road or simply stroll from nearby attractions like the Marina Bay Sands or Esplanade, theaters on the bay. Walking is a great way to soak in the surrounding sights, especially along the waterfront promenade, which offers stunning views of the city skyline. If you're wondering when the best time to visit is, I'd recommend the early morning or late afternoon. In the morning, the park is peaceful, with fewer crowds, and you can catch the first light of day illuminating the statue, perfect for some breathtaking photos. The late afternoon is equally beautiful, as the setting sun casts a warm glow over the bay, creating a serene atmosphere. Merlion Park is not just about admiring the statue. It's a gateway to exploring the wider Marina Bay area. Start with a leisurely walk along the waterfront promenade, where you can take in panoramic views of Singapore's most iconic buildings, including the Marina Bay Sands, Art Science Museum, and the Helix Bridge. And let's not forget the Singapore Flyer, located just across the bay. Standing at 165 meters, it's one of the world's largest observation wheels, offering a bird's-eye view of the city. Whether you're here to enjoy a peaceful moment by the water, indulge in some photography, or explore the nearby attractions, Merlion Park has something for everyone. One of the great things about Merlion Park is that it's completely free to visit. In a city known for its modern marvels, this park offers a refreshing contrast, a place where you can connect with Singapore's past while enjoying the beauty of the present. Whether you're a history buff, a photography enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a quiet spot to relax, Merlion Park is a destination that shouldn't be missed. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Merlion Park. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to F&D Wanderings for more travel stories and guides. Until next time, keep wandering and discovering new places.